Good morning, guys. It is vacation. Do you like my shirt? I like my shirt. Good morning. Weather keeps going from sunny to overcast to sunny to overcast, and I checked that the status on the thing on the video card still hasn't left Concord, Ontario. I don't know why. Sorry, it hasn't arrived at the next destination. It has left Concord, Ontario, but it's supposed to be here tomorrow. So fingers crossed. Ever seen pink pancakes? Yeah, I didn't think so. So today I'm just pretty much being lazy and lazing around because the plans didn't work out, but we'll find something else to do before the day is out. It's only like 2 o'clock, isn't it? No, it's 3. That's fine. Okay, Google, what is the weather like in Anaheim, California right now?
It's 24 degrees and clear in Anaheim.
I'll take that. Okay, Google, what is the weather like in Halifax right now?
It's 19 degrees with rain in Halifax.
Yeah, I'll take Anaheim. I can't see because of the glare, but there's an eagle up there. I hope, there he is. Look at that wingspan. Look at the eagle. Forgive my shakiness, but I'm also 40 times zoomed in. There's a couple of bald eagles around here, but not like, there's not like, that's one thing I want to get someday is like a really crazy zoom lens, like a 1 to 5,000. Not necessarily 1 to 5,000 because like almost literally impossible. But like even a 75 to 500 or 5,000, like I looked at them and they actually cost a lot of money, like probably around $12,000. I'll never ever be able to afford that. May justify someday spending like $2,000 on a lens like that, but I don't think it'll ever become that, you know, never. Yeah, man, look at those skies. Them are angry looking skies. Oh well. Only a couple of days more here and then get to spend 12 hours on a plane and go to California. Actually, I might start drizzling now. It's telling me this battery's dying though, so. Alright, so I remember like forever ago, I said that I was gonna fly this thing outside, and I'm actually gonna do it. I wonder if I should put shoes on for this. Oh well, not gonna step in any poop. Alright, where'd he go? There it goes. Let's try and fly this thing now. I think we might lose this in the wind. What do you think, Ryan? You ready? That was less eventful than I thought. That was beautiful. Thank you. All right, let's try it again. This thing is just really terrible.
It like bends around when you try to hold it, and it's like too big to...
Oh, I totally could have done that. All right, let's see.
Okay.
No? No, maybe not. Okay, let's try that again. I had to kick it to stop it, but it worked. Damn wind. That was so close. That was so close. Because it loops around like an umbrella.
But only in certain areas.
That didn't work.
There you go. On its target. Look, you're just holding it. It goes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nope. Oh. Here, Ryan.
Alright. So close.
Oh.
Yeah, wasn't meant for me.
Why it's throwing it into the wind.
Yeah, the breeze is starting to pick up. Oh, there, you haven't got one. You got it on film.
Video.
Oh.
Not used to all this running around.
Huh. There's a sound on this too?
Yeah.
Huh.
Nope.
Doing dive bomb into the trees.
Oh, no.
Oh. A little more of a wrist action there.
Look at that.
Alright, we're getting her down. Oh, almost.
Well, that was fun. Now I'm tired. I forgot. What did you do? Did you just run to the apple tree?
Only with my pinky.
So, I forgot how much energy it takes and cardio it takes to do outdoor activities. I should probably work on that. This is the stuff from your nightmares. I think it's time to suck it up and actually suck up that dust. Okay, that's really bad, I'm sorry. You actually need to blow it up. Am I ready? Oh, I just punched my light. I didn't mean to do that. I don't think I'm ready, but let's do it anyway. One of these things work?
Yeah.
You just pop it on?
That's the one, yeah. That's the one there, and that's one.
Won't pop on. How do you pop it on?
Just pull the other thing back all the way.
No, kind of like...
Kind of like pull that back, right back, yeah. Pull that one, push that one down in.
I'll get it.
It's tricky at times.
That?
There you go.
That's something more what it's like supposed to look like. There you go. All nice and back in order, except for the lack of a video card. Supposed to be here. Supposed to be here tomorrow. Supposed to be here tomorrow. Heavy things like that case, it's not my arms that I gotta worry about, it's my knees, my legs giving at them, because that happens sometimes. Look at that skyline. Put it in the lake so you can see it better. It's beautiful. This is an awesome first day of vacation. And then tomorrow we go to Peggy's Cove with Chelsea, though I don't know what time. And then we get ready to fly to VidCon, which is really happening. And I can't even, I really can't. There's a speedboater here on a lake and they create wind, they make waves sometimes. But I mean, look at this. Let's see, no strap. Okay. My leg didn't give out on me, that's good. But like, I'm sure I can get further out of here actually. It's just a really, really awesome sunset night. And it's like, it's not even that cold. It's like, I don't know, a little degrees. It's actually probably like, I don't know, 15 or 17 or something like that. But like, look at the sun through the trees. There it is, kind of. But I finally relaxed today a little bit, I think. I tried to anyway. It's not something I'm used to doing. There's a bird in a birdhouse. Bird nest in a birdhouse. Bird in the tree, and the worm in the hole, and worm in the hole. And the extra points if you know what that's from.
Well, that was probably just made shit up for a long time. It was like,
play the piano whenever he was stressed. He was like studying hard or something. He'd come up and all of a sudden he'd play the piano for a while.
It's time to go to bed. You know what I can't believe? That VidCon is the day after tomorrow. Like, the day after tomorrow is the day that I wake up and then try to take a nap and then go to VidCon. I can't really comprehend it, but I am incredibly excited and I really cannot wait. Tomorrow we go hiking in Piggy's Cove, maybe? Hiking? I don't know. We're going to Piggy's Cove. Piggy's Cove. No, Peggy's Cove. It's going to be beautiful. It's supposed to be a really nice day tomorrow, so it'll be a time and a half. So I hope you enjoyed today, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.